Morning. Next, we are going to discuss about of your stable viscometer in AFL lab. Okay, so here we are going to that is using your redwood viscometer only. We are going to do the same procedure whatever we discussed for the experiment 8. Okay, redwood viscometer. The same thing we are going to use here also. So here we are going to take it as there is 6 ml measuring flask of and stopwatches and sample of oil we are going to take. These are all the apparatus they are given. Aim is whatever they are that is to determine the viscosity, both the your redwood as well as your stable viscometer to determine the viscosity given for the fuel. Okay, so this is the using your stable viscometer or redwood viscometer as just mentioned there in the aim. Okay, so next one is your apparatus required. In the apparatus required, viscosity, there is redwood viscosity viscometer setup is required, and thermometer for measuring the temperature is required, and 6 ml measuring flask and stopwatches also required. Okay, and sample of the oil. Okay, so we have the set of the procedure how we have to do that experiment. Okay, so first we have to fill the water, that is 3/4 of the water level in the water bath. Okay, fill the given sample of the oil. Okay, so next step, there is a second procedure is you have to fill the given sample of the oil that is more than 60 ml into the oil bath and dip a thermometer inside the oil. Okay, so we are filling the oil. After that we are going to dip the thermometer in the oil itself, right? So switch on the power now so that the heater will be, there is a the coil will be available. We are going to give the positive and negative terminal so that the coil is going to be heated. So that type of the coil we are going to use here also to heat your water. Okay, so the water heater will be there. It is going to heat your water, right? So note down the time taken for the 60 ml of the oil flow for different oil temperature. Okay, so in the different level of the temperature we are going to take down the timing. Okay, so 40 degrees centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade, 60 degrees centigrade by removing the nets, right? Note down the walls of oil temperature and time taken for 60 ml of the flow from the oil bath. Switch off the power and take down the thermometer from the oil bath. Calculate the kinetic and dynamic viscometer. There is viscosity is using the formula. Okay, so this what they are given. So the setup for your stable viscometer they are given here, and tabulation is must. First you are going to take your oil temperature, that only initially we are going to take. After that the time taken, these two years we are going to taken from the that is in the equipment, right? And in your stopwatch we are going to taken the time taken, and oil temperature we are going to taken from the thermocouple, right? And using the formula we are going to find out the value of your kinematic that is kinematic viscosity in meter square per second, and dynamic viscosity also we can able to find using the formula. Okay, so the formula is available here, right? So this formula we are going to use to find out the value of your kinematic viscosity and dynamic viscosity, right? So next we'll explain you how to do the experiment. Okay, the same experiment, just look at the video. This is redwood viscometer. Okay, this is the setup. So the temperature is available here. Okay, so we can able to increase the temperature using this particular knob. uh, that is this is water, and inside we are using the oil, right? So we dipped the that is thermocouple in the oil itself. Okay, once the there is a temperature rises, if there is a based on the temperature, if any there is consideration will be there in the that is oil, we can able to measure. So the outlet is available in the bottom of the equipment. Okay, so we can able to measure how much of the fuel is coming, that is based on the temperature. Okay, if we are increasing the temperature means how much of the there is a fuel will be coming out, that we can able to use using the measuring cap. Okay, so this is the way to approach this particular experiment. That is a stable viscometer. Okay, both procedure are same, stable viscometer and redwood viscometer, both are same only. Okay, the time taken is available here. If you have the stopwatchman, we can able to use your stopwatch. Okay, so we can able to measure how much that is a the fuel flow we can able to measure in which particular time period, that we can able to know easily using your stopwatch. Okay, thank you. This is the way to do the experiment of your stable viscometer. Okay, so make a tabulation. The tabulation is very important. Okay, so to complete this tabulation, you need to find out the value of your kinematic viscosity and dynamic viscosity. Thank you.